Did you know that yellow teeth may be more than just a cosmetic issue? Dentists warn that stained teeth can sometimes be an early sign of enamel erosion, gum infection, and even harmful bacteria buildup in your mouth. And if left untreated, those same bacteria can enter your bloodstream, causing serious health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and even memory problems. According to a study published in the Journal of Dental Research, poor oral health is closely linked to inflammation and chronic illness. So those yellow stains, they're not just about looks, they could be quietly affecting your entire body. That's why you need to watch this video. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to naturally whiten your teeth at home in just 2 minutes a day, using simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. These 3 home remedies are not only effective, but also safe and backed by semi-scientific research. You don't need expensive whitening kits, dental lasers, or harmful bleaching chemicals. And you definitely don't need to feel embarrassed when you smile. We're going to start with a remedy that's been used for decades and is still one of the most powerful: baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. This combination works like magic. All you need is 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Mix them into a smooth paste. Gently brush your teeth with this paste for 2 minutes. Spit it out and rinse your mouth well with water. This is not a myth, it's real science. Baking soda gently scrubs away surface stains from things like coffee, tea, tobacco, and sugary foods. Hydrogen peroxide goes even deeper. It kills bacteria and lifts out deep stains from your enamel. A 2018 study in the Journal of Aesthetic and Restorative Dentistry confirmed that this combo, when used in small amounts, can significantly whiten teeth in just a week. But be careful. Don't use it every day. Overuse can thin the enamel and make your teeth sensitive. 2 or 3 times a week is enough. Now let's move on to the second remedy. It's weird, but it works. Banana peel. Yes, the inside of a banana peel can help whiten your teeth. The peel contains minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese. These minerals gently stick to your teeth and help dissolve stains over time. Just peel a ripe banana, cut a piece of the inner skin, and rub it on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Then rinse or brush normally. It's gentle, natural, and completely safe for daily use, especially if you have sensitive teeth. The minerals not only clean your teeth, but also feed your gums. They reduce inflammation and boost the shine of your enamel. Many people see results in less than 10 days. It's not as dramatic as chemicals, but it's great for long-term health. The third remedy is an ancient technique called oil pulling. This one takes more time but gives deeper results. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Cold-pressed and organic works best. Put it in your mouth and swish it gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't swallow it. When you're done, spit it into a trash bin, not the sink, or it can clog your pipes. Then rinse your mouth with warm water and brush your teeth. Why does this work? Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which fights bacteria and inflammation. Oil pulling pulls out toxins, reduces plaque, and improves gum health. The result? Your teeth look cleaner, your breath smells better, and your gums feel stronger. A study published in the Nigerian Journal of Medicine found that oil pulling for just 1 week reduced plaque and bacterial growth in the mouth. You can do it daily, especially in the morning before breakfast. It doesn't just whiten your teeth, it heals your whole mouth. Now here's a bonus tip. You can also try a diluted apple cider vinegar rinse once a week. Mix 1 teaspoon of vinegar with half a cup of water. Swish it around for 30 seconds and rinse. It helps break down stubborn stains. But be careful. Never use it straight. It's acidic and can harm your enamel if not diluted. So, there you have it. 3 powerful science-backed ways to whiten your teeth at home. Baking soda and peroxide for fast results. Banana peel for gentle mineral-based whitening. And oil pulling for full mouth detox and long-term gum health. You don't have to suffer from yellow teeth anymore. You don't have to hide your smile or spend hundreds on painful whitening treatments. Just a few minutes a day. That's all it takes. Now that you know the 3 powerful remedies to whiten your teeth at home, it's time to talk about how to use them safely and effectively in a weekly routine. Many people make the mistake of overusing these remedies and end up damaging their teeth. But when used the right way, you can get a bright white smile without any side effects. Let's build a simple, 7-day plan that fits into your daily life. On day 1, start with the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. Use it in the morning or before bed. Brush for just 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth well with water. Don't brush hard. Use a soft toothbrush and gentle strokes. This gives your teeth a powerful boost at the start of the week. On day 2, switch to banana peel. Rub the inside of the peel on your teeth for 2 minutes. Do this in the evening or after brushing. It's very gentle and can be done daily without any harm. On day 3, try oil pulling with coconut oil in the morning. Swish 1 tablespoon for 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have that much time, even 5 minutes is better than nothing. This helps clean out bacteria, remove plaque, and freshen your breath. In the evening, you can do the banana peel rub again. On day 4, go back to the baking soda and peroxide method, but only if your teeth are not feeling sensitive. Remember, this remedy is strong and should not be used every day. Limit it to twice a week. On day 5, do banana peel in the morning. Then in the evening, rest your mouth. Brush with normal toothpaste and avoid any whitening method for that night. On day 6, repeat oil pulling. This keeps your gums clean and strengthens your enamel from the inside. And on day 7, you can do the apple cider vinegar rinse, but only once, and only if you've diluted it with water. Swish for 30 seconds, then rinse your mouth with plain water immediately. Never brush right after this. Wait 30 minutes. Acid can soften your enamel, and brushing too soon can cause more damage. That's your full weekly routine. Easy, safe, and proven. But there's more you need to know. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make. Mistake number 1, using baking soda every single day. This can wear down your enamel and make your teeth weak and sensitive. Twice a week is enough. Mistake number 2, brushing too hard or using a hard-bristled toothbrush. Your enamel is not a wall, it's delicate. Always use a soft brush. Mistake number 3, using undiluted vinegar or lemon juice. These are popular, but dangerous. The acid can strip away the outer layer of your teeth and cause permanent damage. Mistake number 4, skipping water. Yes, water matters. Your mouth needs moisture to protect your teeth. Drink plenty of water, especially after eating. Mistake number 5, using charcoal powders or other harsh scrubs. They may look trendy, but many of them are too abrasive. They remove stains, but also scratch the surface of your teeth. So stay away from aggressive products. Stick to the gentle methods we shared. Let's also talk about food. If you want white teeth, avoid dark-colored drinks like coffee, red wine, and cola. They stain your enamel quickly. If you do drink them, use a straw so the liquid bypasses your teeth. After eating or drinking, rinse your mouth with water to wash away leftover acids and sugars. Eat more raw fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery. These help scrub your teeth naturally and stimulate saliva production. Saliva protects your enamel and washes away bacteria. Also, try to eat less sugar. Bacteria feed on sugar, and that creates acids that damage your teeth. If your diet is clean and you follow this routine, your teeth will start to look whiter within a week. Your gums will feel healthier. Your breath will be fresher. And your smile will be more confident. You don't need expensive whitening strips or harmful chemicals. You just need to follow this simple, natural plan. It's safe, it's affordable, and it works. But most importantly, it protects your overall health, because your mouth is connected to your entire body. When your teeth and gums are healthy, it supports your heart, brain, and immune system. So take control of your smile today. Use the power of nature. Be gentle, be consistent, and see the change for yourself in just 7 days. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who wants a brighter smile. And remember, true beauty starts with a healthy body, and a healthy body starts with a healthy mouth.